In this video, we'll show you how to enable dark mode on Snapchat, transforming your app's appearance to a sleek and eye-friendly design. Dark mode has become increasingly popular due to its ability to reduce eye strain, save battery life on OLED displays, and provide a visually appealing aesthetic. So this works on both iOS and Android devices, so just watch this video until the very end to learn how to get dark mode. Let's first open our Snapchat application and then click on your Snapchat profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. You'll get to this page, and the next step is to tap on this little gear icon at the top right corner and you will get to the settings page. Let's scroll all the way down until you can see this app appearance settings, so open it. And in here, we have 3 different options. Always light, always dark, and this match system. If you want dark mode to be on permanently, click on this always dark. But if you want it to match the system theme, then select this match system option. And that's essentially how you can enable dark mode on Snapchat. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.